the third look I'm going to do is a bronzy one with the same makeup base or the same earlier look that I did. I'm just going to emphasize or enhance the features of my face. Now I also changed my outfit for you to have an idea as well that you can actually have different looks with one outfit or one look or different outfits. So it's really up to you, because sometimes the way you style yourself can also change the way you present yourself. Now, black is my favorite outfit of all time, maybe because this has been our uniform for makeup artists, because it makes you look professional and also mature. So, I mean, if this is like a no-brainer, if you don't have any outfit to wear for your interview or even your meeting, just get a black outfit in your closet, and this goes a long way. And also it will help people to just look at your face and focus on you, because this one won't be too distracting. Well, maybe for my earrings, but it's really up to you how you style yourself. So we'll start. So I'll be using also a Tom Ford bronzer. Yeah, it's called Gold Dust. And again, I'm going to use this like a blush. I don't want emphasizing my cheeks anymore. This has actually a very nice sun-kissed look. It's also good for the beach, but yeah, for now, you can have this bronzer on your video calls, even if you're just at home. It's very easy. Now, if you don't want to get any more products, you can just again use this one. You can use your finger and put it on your eyes. So I already have an eyeliner on. Again, don't want it too much. There, I think this is just enough. For my lipstick, I'll be using the 781 Uemura. This is in matte finish, but with Uemura, their matte finish, it still moisturizes and doesn't make my lips dry. I've been actually curious of getting the shade, so when I was in Japan, I really went there to get this color, this particular brown lip color. So let's see. Ooh. It's actually a nice color. It's not too dark, it's not too light for my skin tone. It's not dry. Feels silky on the lips. And the brown shade doesn't look very like stone-like at all or grayish. So this is actually a nice shade, and it's also not orangey. I think I found a perfect brown for me. For this look, I think I want to tie my hair. Say it's a formal meeting. So I just tie my hair like this. And there. I think this is my favorite look so far. So this with proper lighting on the phone. Let's do video. So the bronzer did not disappear, even my lips, and I can still see my eyeliner and eyebrows. So usually cameras are here when you do a video call. Now let's see without proper lighting. Still nice, very decent. So backlighting there. So with dark lighting, as you can see, the lips got darker and my eyes are more emphasized, same with the eyebrows. So it really depends on the lighting that you have. The more light that you have, it tends to become softer. So this is video when using a laptop. And yes, it's grainy because no proper lighting. Artificial light, let's see. Ooh, I can see all mine. Too harsh. Softer light. Should I rather face here with backlighting? And there. This is without proper lighting. Lips had different color and it looks mauve. But yes, same with the phone. Eyes, eyebrows, and lips are emphasized, but at least my cheeks are still there. Now let's see with proper lighting. Here, as suggested. Looks softer. Also depends on the angle. Can be harsh or soft. Well, for the fourth and last look, well, this is the very trendy monochromatic look. I just retained the black outfit, the black top, because it's very universal. You can have it sleeveless, or you can be wearing a dress, or even with your shorts or pajamas, as long as you have black top. Now I'll be using the Skinny Dipping from Issy & Company, and it's called the Multi-Use Crayon in Skinny Dipping. Now this shade is very easy to use. It's also a nude shade, and what I noticed is this is compatible to any skin tone, especially Filipino skin tone, and the color is very safe to use. Because it's not dark light or bright, it's just there. You can add here already. It's very easy to bring with you anywhere. Don't need tools to apply this. Just your ring finger. And again, it's flattering for any skin type or any skin tone. It's very matte. I know I already have bronzer on my face, but this is how it looks like when you add color. And I think there's been a lot of reviews already where you can see them just using this one, and it's really, really practical and easy to use. There. This is too much. This is just right. I think this is for all the looks. This is the heaviest that I can say that you can do. You can always make it darker. It's really up to you. But for an interview or a meeting, this one would be already flattering and just right for that purpose. You can always have your hair tied again, or just something like this one. So this is with proper lighting. Now, of course, we're gonna be using phones. Okay, so this is with proper lighting using the phone. In person, it really looks dark, but with this light, it softens everything. Now without the light, but I hope you enjoyed my video. And again, I'll be putting the products and the description in order, and the links in the description below. As always, you don't need to buy new ones. You can also always find similar items in your beauty kit. You can always ask me in the comments below which you can try, which you can use, and if you've tried all these looks. Also, please like and subscribe, and also share, especially for those people who might need this tutorial someday. Hope you all stay safe and healthy as always. Bye.